Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about YouTube. So I'm on frontinternet.com here, and so it looks like that YouTube is getting rid of stories. They're getting rid of that feature in June, on June 26th to be exact. So if you guys use the stories feature on YouTube, you guys will no longer be able to use it after June 26th. So personally, I think this sucks. Me personally, I think it sucks for me personally. Even though I never tried out the stories feature on YouTube because I did not meet the subscriber threshold of 10,000 subscribers. So you guys needed 10,000 subscribers to use the YouTube stories feature, which that was like the only thing I did not like about that in terms of like requirements and stuff. So YouTube is getting rid of that, and YouTube tells creators to use community posts and YouTube Shorts. Alright, so if you guys want to check this out, a link will be down below, and I suggest you guys check this out if you guys create videos on YouTube. So let's go ahead and check this out here. So it says here, YouTube announced on its support page that will be linked down below also that it is shutting down YouTube Stories next month. On the YouTube help page, a community manager named Megan wrote, quote, "Today there are many ways to create on YouTube, from community posts to shorts to long form and live. To prioritize these key features, stories are going away. Starting on June 26, 2023, the option to create a new YouTube story will no longer be available. Stories that are already live on that date will expire 7 days after they were originally shared," end quote. So the stories feature is going away next month. So that sucks to me personally. I think it sucks personally. Some of you guys might agree with me on that. Some of you guys might not even care about it. If you guys used the YouTube stories feature, did you guys use it? Did you guys did not use it? If you guys had the option to, did you guys use it a lot? Did you guys use it once in a while? And yeah. So it goes on to say here, YouTube recommends that creators move over to YouTube community posts and YouTube shorts. The former is recommended for those who want to start conversations, share lightweight updates, or promote their YouTube content to their audience. YouTube notes that creators have found that between community posts and stories, posts get more comments and likes compared to stories. Y'all guys are about to see a trend here. Continue to watch the video, and you guys will know what I'm talking about here. So there's one now in the coffin right there that community post has done better than stories, because it says here that community post gets more comments and likes than stories. So there's one trend. So it says here, but wait, there's more. YouTube says, quote, "We have recently expanded access to community posts to millions of creators and have brought some of the popular aspects of stories into community posts, such as rich editing tools and the ability for posts to expire after 24 hours. Creators can strengthen connections with their audiences through new engagement features, including polls, quizzes, filters, and stickers," end quote. Here's a video there from YouTube. I will have that linked down below, I guess, to show you guys how to create a short. So check that out. Link will be down below for that. Then it goes on to say here, YouTube says that YouTube Shorts is the way to go if your goal is to create short video content or gain a new audience. Once again, just as it did when it compared community posts and stories, YouTube compared shorts and stories and noted that among creators who use both, shorts got many more subscribers than stories. Y'all guys see that trend? So community posts and shorts are the way to go to interact with your fans and viewers and all that good stuff, to post updates or whatever you guys want to do about your channel. So shorts and community posts are the way to go. So if you guys have created YouTube stories before, just create it in the short. Can't be that hard, right? So that's why the YouTube Stories feature is going away, because the YouTube Shorts and the Community Post features have have done better than the YouTube Stories feature. So that's why. So what YouTube is saying here is that getting rid of stories is not a big deal, since creators will be better off using Community Post and YouTube Shorts anyway. According to YouTube, quote, "Getting started is easy. You can try out our lightweight mobile video tools directly in the Shorts camera, such as adding text and filters or trying remixing your favorite content across YouTube. We're also continuing to bring more engaging features to the Shorts experience. Most recently, the ability to reply to comments with Shorts. So that's very cool. So YouTube is adding more features to Shorts and Community Post, and people seem to like this better. So there you have it. It says here, if you want step-by-step directions on how to create a YouTube short, you can click on this link. You can also find you can find short creator tips on the YouTube creator channel. So check it out. So yeah, it sucks to see a YouTube feature go, but it is what it is. YouTube Shorts and Community Post are doing better than what YouTube Stories were doing. So that is why YouTube is getting rid of Stories next month. So with the Community Post and the YouTube Shorts features, it doesn't matter how many subscribers you have. You can use those features. Doesn't matter if you have 1 subscriber or 1,000,000 subscribers. Doesn't matter. Those two features does not have a subscriber threshold. The YouTube Stories did. They had a 10,000 subscriber threshold for the Stories feature to work. So yeah, so it seems here that YouTube Shorts and YouTube Community Posts are the way to go to give updates on your channel, to talk to your viewers or whatever you guys want to do. So yeah, to me, I think it sucks though, because I never got to try the YouTube Stories feature. I thought that the Stories feature was cool. Even though I never got the chance to try it out, I thought the feature was cool nonetheless. So yeah, this sucks, but it is what it is. So if you guys wanna do like updates on your channel and stuff, use YouTube Shorts and Community Post to do that. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.